In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start affiliate marketing on Amazon. This is a fantastic way to earn a bit of extra income by promoting products you love and trust. We'll walk through the process from signing up to earning commissions, so let's dive right in. To kick things off, the first step in your affiliate marketing journey with Amazon is to join the Amazon Associates program. This step is quite straightforward. Head over to the Amazon Associates website and sign up. You'll need to provide some essential details such as information about your website, YouTube channel, or mobile app. This is important because Amazon needs to understand how you'll be driving traffic to their products. Set up your affiliate profile carefully and accurately, and don't forget to add your tax and payment information, as this is crucial for receiving your commissions. Once you're all signed up, the next phase is crucial: choosing the right products to promote. It's all about finding products that resonate with your audience. Spend some time browsing through Amazon or use their search tools to pinpoint items that align with your niche. For deeper insights, consider employing tools like Helium 10's Cerebro. This tool assists you with keyword research, which can lead you to profitable products within your niche, making this effort worthwhile. Now that you've selected your products, you'll want to generate affiliate links for them. This is where the SiteStripe bar on Amazon's product pages comes into play. Using this tool, you can create text links, image links, or even a combination of both. These links are vital because they are unique to your affiliate account. They will keep track of any sales generated through them, ensuring you receive the credit you deserve for any qualifying purchases. Promotion is the next key step. Once you've generated your links, you'll need to share them across various platforms such as your website, blog, or social media channels. Creating engaging content that highlights the benefits and features of these products is essential. The more compelling your content, the higher the chances of your audience clicking on those links. You might want to explore different marketing strategies to drive traffic towards your links, enhancing your chances of earning commissions. Finally, after putting in the hard work, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor by earning commissions. When customers use your affiliate link and make a qualifying purchase on Amazon, you'll earn a percentage of the sale as a commission. You can conveniently track all your earnings and sales through the Amazon Associates dashboard. It's important to note that commissions are typically paid out at the end of each month, providing you with a regular income stream if you consistently promote and drive sales. And there you have it, the essential steps to beginning your affiliate marketing journey with Amazon. By carefully following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning through the Amazon Associates program. Happy promoting!